A new preamplifier has just been released by Michael Fidler. So the model we're looking at is the SPARTAN 30. It's a headphone amp, as well as a preamplifier. You can use it for a desktop system, depending on what you want. This is how it looks like. It's a $600, actually very low distortion headphone amp that can still serve as a preamp because you can use it with your active loudspeakers as well as your headphones. It all depends on what you want to use it to do, more or less. It's meant for PC, for most PCs. You will be able to set up, a very good system with this without having to spend more than this amount. You can see the different ports at the back of the Spartan 30. It features a sandblasted anodized aluminum cabinet. It's built very well, to be fair. It doesn't weigh that much, so it's easy to move around. It does have a volume control. It has a volume control knob, an old school type of volume control knob that helps you control the amp. You have very good connections at the back, like line level inputs. You get 3 high impedance RCA line level inputs that will provide you very much with little little distortion and all that issues you get from old school RCA inputs. You will also have other connections at the back. You will have a headphone output, so you can use it with your high impedance headphones if you want to. Now, in terms of power, output for headphones, it will deliver around 700 milliwatts per channel into 150 ohms. That's what it's going to be able to deliver. Obviously, that's quite okay. It's not perfect, but it's okay. It also has the ability to the amp itself, from what Michael Fiedler says, is that the amp doesn't have much noise, so you can run this at a loud volume without having much noise introduced into your headphone. The guy says that the circuitry also operates as a unity gain buffers, which keeps the distortion below 0.001% at 500 milliwatts output. So it is a very well made amplifier. The only issue is that the look doesn't, I would say, like, command that $600 price tag. It looks a bit ugly in its look, to be honest. But you know what they say, it's not always the look that people care about. It's about sound quality and durability and all that. So I might be able to respect that. Output connections on this is quite okay as well, because you get a 6.3 millimeter headphone output. You get analog line level outputs, one pair of RCA as well as one pair of XLR output, because it's a preamplifier as well, even though it can stay on its own and do its job on its own without any help. But it's an okay product, obviously. It's an okay product, very low distortion. As for price, like I said, it's $600. Then if you're in the UK, it's £550. So you need to know all these things before you go out there to purchase. It, if you're interested, do subscribe to the channel, do like our content. I'll see you guys very much next time.